Very, very warm welcome to this wonderful session. So then we will understand some other important things that what you need to know before the examination. So it is related to the pattern. One very important thing that what you need to know. This is what the examination pattern, students, this year. Yeah, it is not there earlier, but this is what the year you are going to have this particular pattern. Yeah, where it contains the section A and section B. There are the two sections are there. Yeah, you can see, students, earlier like we used to have an physics, chemistry and biology, in that particularly botany and zoology. Now this year even it is clearly given separately at the botany and zoology, right? And you can see here what is the important thing you need to observe here. Every question is going to carry the 4 marks over here. Yeah, in physics, section A and section B is there. In chemistry also, section A, section B will be there. Botany, again section A, section B will be there. Zoology, section A and section B will be there. In section A of every subject, you are going to get a 35 questions. Yeah? 35 into 4, 140. So then all these questions you need to attempt, students. Okay? In a section A, wherever it may be physics section A, chemistry section A, botany section A, zoology section A, whatever these 35 questions are there, these are all the questions you need to attempt so to get on good marks. But from the section B, you are going to get a 15 questions from every subject. Yeah? In physics, section B carries the 15 questions, chemistry carries the 15 questions, and botany carries the 15 questions. Zoology also carries the section B 15 questions. But in these 15 questions, you need to attempt any 10 only. Okay? From the 15, you need to attempt any 10 means. So if you attended all those 10 and attend them correctly, then you are going to get 40 marks. Suppose if any student has attempted all those 15 questions, then they are going to consider first 10 only. You have to be careful over here. In the section B of every subject, you need to attempt only 10 here. Out of the 15, they are going to evaluate the first 10. That is the that what the information you should have to have before going for the examination, students. Yeah. So I hope you understood what the things. Yeah. Every section A, you can you need to attend all those 35 questions to get an 140 marks. But from the section B of every subject, out of 15, you need to attempt only 10 questions. Yeah, means now this year, earlier we used to see that only for the physics 45 questions will be there, but now this year you are going to get the more questions. Yeah, 35 plus 15 here. So altogether 50 questions you are getting. Earlier 45 it was, but now you are getting a 50 questions. But right now this year also you need to attempt only 45 only, but 5 you are going to get a it's options here, so you can leave it. If it is if you are not able to attend any questions, you just can leave only from the section B. Yeah, in the same way from the chemistry also, and botany also, zoology also. Yeah, you are going to get 5 extra questions in the section B, where you need to attend just 10 questions. If you attended all of those, then first 10 only they are going to evaluate. Every correct answers are going to carry the 4 marks here, and every wrong answers are going to lead into reduction of -1 marks from the scored. Okay, that this is what the things you should have to know, students. Okay, this is what all about the examination pattern. This is what the very new pattern for this year. Yeah, you have to have the information about it. Yeah, and the mode of again examination, it is again offline examination only. So with a pen and paper only, or OMR sheet only, this examination will be. Yeah, it is not an online, it is an offline only. And whatever the question paper is there, students, it will be available in a bilingual form. Yeah, if you want to have only just the English, yeah, you can go for that. So English is the one which you are going to get. Yeah, if you applied it, you are going to get a question paper in English. Yeah, I hope so. So this video has become very, very useful for you. All the best for your examination. Do well. Yeah, don't give up. Yeah, don't at all even think for the repetition and nothing. Okay, just be bold and just be cool and prepare properly and go for the examination. Yeah, I hope so you are all understood the things properly. Yeah, thank you once again, students.